Quick, right before the video begins, this channel is giving away 1 million Shiba Inu tokens every day. To enter, simply subscribe to the channel, watch the video, then leave a comment using the hashtag #shibainu. Good luck! Watch this video through to the very end to learn how cryptocurrency is finally making an impact on the movie and entertainment industries. Additionally, CEO Adam Aron's announcement is huge and will change everything for Shiba Inu. I'll be going into detail about how Shiba Inu might just hit $1 sooner than we all think. Disclaimer: please join my Telegram channel if you'd like to receive price predictions and cryptocurrency news almost every hour. We already have over 2,600 members. Also, be wary of scammers posing as me on social media. I would never ask for your 12 secret words. The description includes links to my official social media accounts. This is the giveaway winner from yesterday. How are you, Shiba Army? It's great to have you back here. As usual, today's video is expected to be thrilling as we discuss the implications of the latest announcement from AMC for Shiba Inus. Before we get to AMC's CEO, there's some big news that we need to discuss. Yesterday, something crazy happened. Poly Network, which you might know as a decentralized exchange, took to Twitter to announce that its platform had been hacked, with the hackers making away with crypto worth $611 million. How is this related to Shiba Inu? Well, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you're missing out on all the latest updates on Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency market in general. Just so you know, the total amount of criminal losses in the DeFi sector between January and July only came to $474 million, according to CipherTrace. Keep watching this video to find out how the Poly Network hackers managed to pull off the largest cryptocurrency heist in history. Naturally, this is awful news, but as they say, there is always a bright side to everything. You might be wondering what the bright side is in this massive cloud, and that's what we'll discuss about next. PackShield Incorporated posted on Twitter with a breakdown of all the cryptocurrencies that were stolen. According to his post, Poly Network has been exploited on Ethereum, Binance Chain, and Polygon. In response, Shib Informer says that, given the massive hack, the amount of sheep stolen is not that much in comparison. We will list the wallet, and in an unwanted way it leaves us with the strange honor of being considered among stable coins that are a part of the booty. This is what all of this means. The breakdown also shows that approximately 259 billion sheep were stolen. First, if you check out the list of cryptocurrency thefts, we're right there with many others, including Ethereum, USDC, and USDT. This indicates that even if the current environment isn't particularly ideal, hackers have recognized that Shiba Inu is a rather stable token that can be added to your portfolio. Of course, this is a nice supplement. Secondly, Shib Informer talked about listing the wallet. Well, basically what that means is that the wallet containing the stolen sheep will be blacklisted now. If that happens, it means that it will be impossible to access the sheep from the swelling, so it's as good as burning 259 billion Shiba Inu. This could not have come at a better time considering that the Shiba community has been crying for a burn. For a very long time the Shiba team has already implemented a 25,000 burn, which though not exactly huge was significant. Adding this 259 billion sheep burn would definitely go a long way to getting a massive amount of burn the Shiba community is looking forward to. But before we get too excited, there's some more news now. After the heist, Poly Network wrote an open letter to the hackers on Tuesday in which they pleaded with the culprits to return the assets. Shockingly, the letter seemingly worked, as the latest update reveals that the hackers have started to return the stolen crypto booty. Altogether, $256 million has been returned so far, which is of course still a lot less than the total amount of $611 million initially stolen, but it is something. And according to Gizmodo, among the assets returned was $2 million in Shiba Inu tokens, so I guess that means that the plan to burn Shiba tokens by blacklisting the wallet to which it was sent is now off the table. We're back to hoping for another burn event from the team, and hopefully that happens sooner than we think. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this. Now, let's go on to the main topic of our film, which is about Adam Aron, the CEO of AMC. In an earnings call on Monday, the theater chain announced that it would begin implementing technology to allow moviegoers in the United States to pay for their tickets and snacks in cryptocurrencies, mostly Bitcoin, before the end of the year. According to CNN Business, AMC is jumping on the cryptocurrency bandwagon. CEO Adam Aron stated, "I've had to learn more about blockchain and cryptocurrency in the last 6 months than I did in the entire decade prior." The move would enable customers to purchase tickets and concessions online using Bitcoin for all of AMC's US leaders. Aron stated that since we had to write the code to accept Bitcoin anyway, we are simultaneously writing the code to accept Apple Pay and Google Pay for online purchases at our US theaters. Investors cheered the news, and AMC shares jumped 5.3 in after-hours trading. Bitcoin was up 5.5 on Monday night from a day earlier. AMC is now the first movie theater in the industry to accept cryptocurrency payment. I can only see this as a sign of better things to come. It's only a matter of time until paying for your movie and popcorn with cryptocurrency becomes the norm because AMC is the biggest movie theater chain in the world. If they sneeze, the industry will undoubtedly catch a cold. Therefore, these are undoubtedly exciting times for cryptocurrency investors. Naturally, the business is starting small and is only taking Bitcoin at this time, but CEO Adam Aron has stated that the company is also looking to investigate other cryptocurrencies. This means that we should expect that Shiba Inu might also be joining the ranks sooner or later. Of course, nothing is certain right now and we can only wait until AMC unfolds its plans, but we can be fairly sure that Shiba Inu will be on AMC's list soon. We've been able to gauge public opinion of Shiba Inu from what Changpeng Zhao, CEO of Binance, said about Shiba Inu as well as from this recent crypto heist. If you recall, in the last video I showed you how CZ got Shiba Inu listed on Binance because the demand for the token was so high and the company ran out of addresses to send the tokens to, something that had never happened before. And now with the recent heist and billion sheep stolen, it tells us that Shiba Inu is a well-known and well-loved cryptocurrency in the market. So if the AMC team is doing its research into other crypto to accept in its theaters, it's definitely going to have a very hard time overlooking Shiba Inu. This is why I'm fairly confident AMC is going to announce its acceptance of Shiba Inu at its theaters pretty soon. So do you agree? Let me know down in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, then please like the video and leave a comment in the comment section. This should really help me out to reach the YouTube algorithm, but note that I'm not forcing you to invest in this project. It's 100% your personal decision. Also, if you're interested in getting price predictions and crypto news literally every hour, then join my Telegram channel. We already have more than 2,600 people. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel.